Masquera Mre Zimbabwe, welcome to our channel Zoom Confessions and Deep Secrets. Kana kariki kutanka kuhepa nino channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Pachungwa karonga subscribe, but don't forget to comment and share this video. Nasi Mre Zimbabwe, tavigirai nyabuditswa ne mai Zimbabwe meyo yabuda ichitaura pamusoro pemutongo wapiwa Chatunga Mugabe uyo ari kunzi akasungwa nenyaya yekuasauta mupurisa ete roadblock zvakare nekubuditsa banga muri Zimbabwe. The son wa the former president Robert Mugabe, Chatunga Bellarmine ane makore 27, ari kunzi he was arrested mushure mekunge akanetsana nemapurisa at a security checkpoint in Bobi, 80 kilometers from the border town of Beitbridge. So once he was traveling in a South African registered Range Rover, pamwe ne friend yake apo painzi vaya, they were going to Harare for a wedding. So the incident yakaitika at around 6 a.m. according to officer commanding Beitbridge district, Chief Superintendent Melusi Ncube. Chatunga Arunzi, he was charged with disorderly conduct and illegal possession of a specified knife. My sources angari close to the incident antaura yachiti Chatunga uyo drive one friend yake, a South African driver, anzi akaita impatient apa akavunzwa nemapurisa for my vehicle documents pamwechete ne identification. Runzi akatanga kushauta at the police achitaura iye achiti they were delaying them, achiti vaiziva kuti ndiye ani here zvokunzi akasvika pakubata mupurisa pakola support unit officer chinzi akabvaura sheti yake in the process. Ndofuga nyaya iyi iri kunzi the state is represented by the district public prosecutor Mr. Naishe Matenga. Vakutaura ivo vachiti vataura wabuda achitaura masimilar events akataura na witness angari pa incident. So the state yakabuda taura iyo ichiti Chatunga akabuda mota yodrive ni South African friend wainzi Ivan Malokoza chinzi akatanga kupopotera mapurisa achitaura achiti they were delaying them for the fourth time. Anzi zvokunzi mamwe mapurisa paakaona onetsana nemupurisa wakabva wamubata vachiona abuditsa banga mumwe make muri Zimbabwe. So according to the state, Malokoza ari kunzi akabvunzwa kuti abuditse his passport, nzi Chatunga akabva abuditsa yake before friend yake yacomply. Anzi vaadvaiswa kunzi vapake pa the roadside, anzi but Malokoza akaramba paapaka muroad. Zvikunzi panguva iyoyi ndo pakabuda Chatunga achipopota muri Zimbabwe, akatanga akasvika pakubata mupurisa kola. So Chatunga ari kunzi appeared briefly before the Beitbridge resident magistrate Mr. Takudwa Gwazemba, avo vanga vachifambira nyaya dzacho. Iye ari kunzi he was represented by Mr. Muchiwande Sitole we F. Chauke and Associates. He was not asked to plead to the charges, and he was remanded out of custody until 16 September for a provisional trial date. So nyaya yabuditswa. So my lawyers are Chatunga arunza taura mukoti achiti Chatunga is the one assault one police since kutaura kwatiri kuita ari kurwadzwa nemusana. Nyaya yabuditswa nemai Zimbabwe vachitaura ivo vachiti the son of the late former president Robert Mugabe, Chatunga Bellarmine, was arrested yesterday for a scuffle with police officers at a security checkpoint in Bobi, 80 kilometers from the border town of Beitbridge. He was reportedly traveling in a South African registered Range Rover with a friend to Harare for a wedding. The incident occurred at around 6 a.m. According to officer commanding Beitbridge district Chief Superintendent Melusi Ncube, Chatunga was charged with disorderly conduct and illegal possession of a specified knife. Sources close to the incident claim that Chatunga, who was being driven by his friend, a South African driver, became impatient when police officers asked for vehicle documents and identification. He started shouting at the police, saying, "You are delaying us. Do you know who I am?" He then angrily and violently grabbed the support unit officer by the collar and tore off his shirt buttons in the process, the source said. The state, represented by District Public Prosecutor Ms. Tinaishe Matenga, alleged a similar sequence of events. The state said Chatunga disembarked from the vehicle driven by his South African friend Ivan Molokoza and started shouting at the police officer for delaying them for the fourth time. He is alleged to have manhandled the officer, but was subdued by other officers who found a flick knife on him upon arresting him. According to the state, Molokoza was asked to produce his passport, and Chatunga allegedly produced his before his friends could comply. Molokoza was then advised to park by the roadside for security checks, but he partially parked on the road and was told to move further away from the main road. It was at this point that Chatunga allegedly began shouting and manhandling the officer. Chatunga appeared briefly before Beitbridge resident magistrate Mr. Takujwa Wazemba. He was represented by Mr. Muchuwande Sitole of F. Chauke and Associates. He was not asked to plead to the charges and was remanded out of custody until 16 September for a provisional trial date. Mr. Sitole urged that his client was the one who had been assaulted by a police officer and was still struggling with back pain. Chatunga is the second son of Robert Mugabe and Grace Mugabe, who also had sons Robert and Bona Mugabe, named after the former Zimbabwean leader's mother. He is a controversial figure, having been recently named as the mastermind of a massive money laundering syndicate, through which he could have gained 10 million rands just before his father was ousted in a coup in 2017. Ndozvabuditswa nemaizimbabwe. Zvakare muna 2023 Chatunga nefriend yake anonzi Tatenda Chinyoku vakasungwa mushure mekunge vakaonekwa vachiasauta another guy ainzi Lazarus Dairamanzi zviri kunzi vakasvika pakudhameja Nissan MP3 300 yake anzi vachismasha mawindows kusvika mota yaparara. Vaviri ava Chatunga pamwe chete naChinyuku vakapinda mumaoko emapurisa vakachajwa neassault and malicious damage to property. Zvakare his older brother Robert Jr. akafesawo zvakare similar legal issues last year muna February. Robert ari kunzi mushure mekunge adhakwa akatanga kudisplaya a wild and erratic behavior at a party anzi agumisira kupwanya zvakare mota dzevanhu mushure mekunge vanga vanetsana papati. So hazina kupera mushe social media users abuda achireacta mukusungwa kwa Chatunga reZimbabwe. One uye anonzi Munomutapa abuda achitaura iye achiti how the mighty have fallen, akufamba nemota to cross the border. Another one anonzi Wellington Mungati abuda achitaura achiti law must apply. These boys, they think they are president's children. Maba ndiripo anoshupa mani. Another one anonzi Grainful Trust abuda achiti Chatunga will get scot free. Hapana nyaya apa, zvakatopera zvakatovarana. Wakabuda achiti police must teach him a lesson. Another one akabuda achiti like mother like child. Anonzi Vongai Marufu akabuda achiti do you know who I am? Zvamanje manje kwavari ichiri kushanda here. But anyway, saka achatovamo here, atodarika zvake uyu otosara osona mabutton. Ndozvabuda zvitaurwa nemasocial media users mureZimbabwe. Tingazive kuti munoona sei nyaya iyi